Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Jaguar remote key fob. What we need to do is split the two halves of the case to access the key fob battery. So we get our flat-headed screwdriver like this one, and just at the bottom of the fob you can see there is an indentation. So we can just pop the blade of the screwdriver in like so, and we just give it a twist like that, which cracks the case open and splits the two halves. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. Just get a small screwdriver, we get it underneath the battery and we just prise it from its location. This key fob takes a battery with a part number like this one of CR2032. We just simply pop it back in to the housing. On this particular one, we make sure that the writing is facing downwards like that, and we know it's in its correct location. It's just time to pop it back together. So you get the other half of the key fob case, you make sure it all lines up, and we just click it in place. There you go, it's all done.